What up, guys? It's your boy Rish, coming back with another video, man. You already know. Little vlogs, as always. Starting out this morning, bright and early. As you can tell, super bright. The sun shining. Yeah, so I gotta finally connect my steering rack and my steering column together, and hopefully nothing should mess up, and should be, you know, shouldn't be too hard, I don't think. It's really just I gotta put that yellow piece in, and then, you know, the bolts and nuts or whatever, and yeah, so I'm gonna try to get that together. I'll make sure my subframe all tight and whatnot. Then I gotta start putting together my suspension area stuff so I could have it as a rolling show, because if you guys know, I've been kind of talking about it. I'm planning on moving to Florida, Tampa. So if you guys are out there, let me know. Would love to meet you guys, get to know some places and meet some new people, network. Trying to do some bigger things out there. And, you know, level up this channel, level up everything. Trying to be my own businessman in general. I'm planning on doing that in like mid-November, which is in like 2 months. Hold on, car. It's kind of coming up quick, and I don't think I'm gonna have like a motor inside this before, you know, all that happens. So honestly, I don't know. We'll see what happens. I'm not trying to rush too much because your boy need to not go broke either. So yeah. So really quickly, I went ahead and put back on the heat shield back there. Engine bay is looking pretty nice after the little cleanup that was part of last video, so go check that out, guys. What all I have left is that little yellow piece to put on, and then the bolts in there. So I'm about to go do that right now. We should all line up and go in there and whatnot. So we shall see. Come back with some updates and get more things done. So the thing that I had the 2 bolts that stripped and, you know, snapped off. I was going at that. Finally got this top bolt tightened up, but the bolts that I got, and I guess the nut for it is just does not tighten, so it's too small or something. It's wrong threading pitch, I don't know. In the meantime, I can still, you know, start putting on my knuckle and whatnot, because that's what I'm trying to do. I got the steering rack all in. Gotta get things started, because your boy is planning this Florida trip, so there's a lot to get done, and I don't know if I'm gonna get it all done, and I need this thing to be able to at least move, because it's coming with me, guys. It's staying with me. But the Honda Civic, it would be getting sold, so yeah, a little stressful. Put on my tie rods, but I need to get the nut off from the other rack. Alright, so one, 2. So, alright, I'm gonna keep it right there. Got this side in, so now it's time to actually get this nut off the old steering rack and do what I just did. So roll up. I just woke up from a nap. Yeah, I'm about to head to my parents' house right quick and see if I can get these axle nuts off with, you know, the gun he's got or the air gun, because I got neither of those. So yeah, let's take this trip and hopefully it works. Still dead, but yeah, we made it to my parents' house. Now let's go take a knuckle out and see if we could pop it off. Alright, so this, I mean, y'all see Snap-on. My dad has this little thing, you know, hiding, tucked under. So, rings it, and runs nowhere. Ding dong stay.
Ding dong stay. I see you. I see what's the jokes.
Eventually.
Alright, so now we're at the shop. We got one off, but this next one, me and my dad were struggling for a while. We're using a little torch for heat. We're using a Snap-on electric impact. I was gonna use the air impact over here, but homeboy Tone's here, and I'm gonna use his Milwaukee gun. So let's see if we got any better luck, guys. Alright, so we got it off. Thank fucking God. Milwaukee impact gun comes to save the day. You know, the big Buster 3,500 and half inch. But yeah, shout out to Tone, man. Pulled up at the perfect time. I thought about it, and at the angle of sitting, the axle nut is maybe giving it some restriction at the angle and whatnot to come out, because the axle's like all bent. So I just set it up straight, fucking hit it again and it instantly started coming out. So the rest of the video is gonna be me putting the knuckles on and stuff, get it to it being a rolling shell, then clean the car up and whatnot. It's been a while.
Day 2.
I already went to Ace Hardware this morning because it opened up early, thankfully. I had to swap out the nuts because the ones I had just wasn't working with it. So I swapped that out so I could get that bracket on. I'm gonna start getting the whole hubs and everything on. So yeah. Yeah, let's get started. Get to it. Get this fucking day started. So we got this little quick thing done. These are the 2 bolts that snapped off. So yeah, got that on. Now we are gonna put on my coil on this side and get this side going. Yeah, go on from there. Got my bolts right here. I got some things, you know, labeled out in categories and groups and whatnot. So hopefully I remember or piece the puzzle together when the time comes. Shout out to my dad for letting me borrow this nice bigger electric gun. See how tight that shit got that? What the f, Walkie? This little ass gun packs a damn punch. Alright, so now I gotta get the hub in. Let me move you guys a little bit. Just socket. Quick, you have to make sure. Tell you. Now it's time to figure out which size this is. Oh, seems like it's a 24. Gotcha. I always got told you kind of want to tighten more and not less to be able to get the cotter pin through. Now I gotta find my cotter pin box. Be right back. Back with the box of cotter pins that I got. 555 piece set. Alright guys, so I got both sides in, both hubs and whatnot, brake calipers and all that. Just need to put on the wheels and move everything out the way. What I also want to do is just bag up all these wires and tape them up and have them like kind of positioned in one area so they're not like dangling around and prone to getting damaged. And then I'll be able to roll the shell back and forth, moving in and out.